The realm of unlimited abundance extends its open arms to you, but only when you energetically align with its higher frequency. To be a vibrational match, limiting beliefs must be replaced with possibility thinking and scarcity with openness. As you expand your consciousness, you gain access to prosperity flowing in unexpected and miraculous ways. Begin within by noticing where you feel discomfort around money and success. Examine your associations with wealth. Move through fears, doubts, and beliefs of lack into a mindset of abundance, flow, and divinity working through you. Affirm your power to manifest. Visualize your new abundant life with joyous emotion. Meditate on the realm of plenty vibrating all around you. Stay present. Follow inspiration over convention. Do what sparks passion. As you raise your energetic frequency through focus and spiritual connection, you become a magnet for prosperity in all forms. Expect miracles. Align first, then abundance will chase you for a change. Are you ready to break through financial limitation and unlock the power within to create abundant prosperity? Listening daily to targeted affirmations can retrain your mind for wealth manifestation, filling you with positivity and belief in your limitless potential. Commit now to regular listening sessions that will elevate your thoughts and energy into alignment with abundance. Help spread the message of prosperity for all by commenting on affirmations that resonate most powerfully for you. I am open and receptive to new sources of income. Money comes to me easily and effortlessly. I attract wealth like a magnet. I am financially free to live the life I desire. I release any resistance to wealth and abundance. Wealth constantly flows into my life. Money comes to me when I need it and more. I fully trust the process of manifesting money. I live an abundant life filled with prosperity. I welcome unexpected financial blessings. My net worth is rapidly increasing. I allow prosperity to flow freely in my life. Wealth overflows in my life. I have more than enough to meet all my needs. I deserve to be rich and successful. I am financially secure and stable. I create wealth through providing value to others. Money is energy, and I attract it positively. And I have a millionaire mindset that creates wealth. I am open to brilliant money-making ideas. Abundance is my true state of being. I give thanks for my abundant finances. I am a money magnet. Prosperity is drawn to me. I have an unlimited earning potential. Wealth begins in my mind. I think prosperous thoughts. I choose abundance in all areas of my life. Wealth sustains me in my purpose. I expand my capacity to receive. I welcome financial abundance. Prosperity overflows in my life. Wealth is my natural state of being. I deserve abundance. I am grateful for all the money I have. My finances improve every day. I prosper wherever I turn. I attract wealth with positive thoughts. Money flows to me easily. I have more money than I can ever spend. I choose to be financially abundant. Wealth is flowing into my life daily, and my income exceeds my expenses. I am open to infinite opportunities for wealth. I make smart choices with money. Saving money comes easy for me. I allow myself to receive abundant wealth. My income grows higher each year. I generously give and receive money. I am a powerful money magnet. I enjoy my work and I am well paid for it. My wealth makes a positive difference in the world. Money comes to me in expected and unexpected ways. I have more money than I know what to do with. I am financially abundant in every way. Wealth thoughts attract wealth to me. I choose abundance in all aspects of life. I let go of all resistance to wealth. Prosperity is my natural state of being. I make wise financial decisions. I generously receive money from expected and unexpected sources. Wealth is flowing to me now. I have a rich life full of abundance. I attract abundant financial opportunities. Money comes easily to me. I give freely and receive freely. I allow myself to be prosperous. My income exceeds my expenses. I am open to unlimited abundance. Wealth circulates freely through my life. I think abundance and abundance appears. Money wants to flow to me and through me. Prosperity is my natural state of being. My potential to earn money is infinite. I attract financial freedom with every thought. I give generously and receive generously. Money comes to me from multiple sources. Wealth beyond my wildest dreams flows to me. I release any mental blocks to wealth. Financial freedom is my new reality. I attract lucrative opportunities into my life. Wealth flows freely to and through me. I have more money coming in than going out. Abundance in all forms flows freely in my life. My income increases exponentially. I am financially abundant and free. Wealth is my natural birthright. I allow abundance into my life. Prosperity overflows in my life. I choose wealth, success, and abundance. I am open and receptive to unlimited financial income. Prosperity is drawn to me. Money comes easily to me from multiple sources. Financial freedom and abundance are mine. I prosper in everything I put my energy into. Wealth abounds in my life. I have more money than I know what to do with. I attract wealth with every thought. Abundance flows freely through me. I choose wealth and prosperity daily. My income grows higher each day. I am infinitely abundant. Money flows to me effortlessly now. I have the power to attract money. I release any mental blocks around wealth. Ideas that make money flow freely to me. I allow prosperity in all areas of my life. Wealth comes easily and frequently. I let money make me more money. Abundance is my true state of being. My net worth is constantly increasing. I attract wealth and prosperity into my life. Money wants me to have it. I release money blocks and attract abundance. Wealth flows freely in my life. I choose prosperity with every thought. I have unlimited earning potential. I am open to brilliant, lucrative opportunities. Wealth is my natural birthright. I use money wisely and gratefully. Every day I am attracting more wealth. I think prosperity and abundance manifests. Wealth comes easily to me. I am financially secure, stable, and abundant. My income grows higher each month. Abundance overflows in my life. I let go of all resistance to money and wealth. I choose wealth daily. Money want to flow to me. I attract wealth and prosperity now. Wealth beyond my dreams flows freely to me. I have infinite earning potential. Money comes to me in avalanches. I am a money magnet, attracting wealth from expected and unexpected sources. I welcome financial abundance into my life. Wealth is my true nature, and I choose thoughts that attract money and prosperity. Wealth abounds in my life, and I am open and receptive to all the wealth in the universe. Abundance overflows in my life. Prosperity comes easily to me. I release all resistance to wealth. My income is constantly growing. Money flows to me effortlessly. I attract abundance through positive thoughts. Wealth manifests in my life in wondrous ways. I am open to unexpected sources of income. Wealth flows to me in avalanches. Abundance is my true state of being. Money comes easily to me. I release any doubts around wealth and abundance. My income grows higher each day. Money is energy, and I attract it. Wealth in abundance is flowing to me now. I have unlimited earning potential. Wealth is my natural state of being. I attract lucrative opportunities like a magnet. Abundance overflows in my life. Prosperity surrounds me everywhere I go. I am open and receptive to unlimited wealth. Money flows freely through my life. I choose abundance in all aspects of life. Wealth sustains me in my purpose. My income increases exponentially. I expand my capacity to receive. I have more money than I will ever need. Wealth is drawn to me. I think prosperity and abundance appears. I make wise financial decisions daily. Money wants to flow to and through me. Abundance is my natural state of being. I have an infinite capacity to attract wealth. Money comes easily to me from expected and unexpected sources. I attract money like a magnet. Wealth circulates freely through my life.